The thing that stands out to me about BAE Systems is that not only is there genuine care for me as an individual, people want to see you succeed.
Recapping my last 21 years here has felt fast. Our people, I believe, are our core discriminator in the industry. It's the reason why I've stayed here this whole entire time.
Whether it be in that personal sense or professional sense, the support here is unmatched. I haven't experienced anything like it before, and just meeting people from all walks of life.
I've met so many good people who are just helpful as colleagues, as managers, always willing to take time out to help you out.
Because of all the support that I had from my mentors and my leaders, I try to lead with a similar approach where it's people first. Anyone can schedule time on my calendar.
I come to different country and I don't speak any English. Everything comes so different. My supervisor, he got very patient with me. He walked with me step by step. He showed me one device can translate Spanish to English. That's one way I learned to speak English over here. That's very nice, you know. It's a small detail, but small detail make a big difference.
I really felt like I was in the right spot here at BAE. When I first met a leader of ours, he is also a fellow veteran, and he was still wearing his jump wings. I immediately, in having jump wings myself, kind of asked him about that and noticed that he was an airborne veteran. I could relate to him. I really felt like I belonged here.
BAE Systems is the best place to work for in the defense industry because it really knows how to take care of its employees and is really good about supporting the employees no matter what they're going through.
In 2022, Hurricane Ian came through. I live in Florida, and my house was impacted by the hurricane. I had 15 inches of water, and I had one of my managers offering to put drywall in a car trailer and bring it down to me. The outpouring and the support messages and constant contact from them to make sure that I was doing okay.
When my wife became pregnant, we weren't really sure what was going to happen or how we were going to be able to balance all the stuff that was needed for our second child. Talking with my managers, I was nervous. I thought it just wouldn't work out. Instead, I was met with, what can we do to help you? What do you need to do to be able to continue to be successful while still take care of your family?
Knowing that we can depend on each other, knowing that we all bring a different piece to the puzzle and that together we're really good at what we do.